Hello fans, thank you for tuning in to Monster Truck Classics for this unboxing of the 5-pack from Kohl's. But I just got this today from Series 5, one Monster Jam Mini. So I thought I would put this at the beginning of the video. Real quickly, let's go over the trucks. There is Monster Mutt. Then we get Megalodon Fire. Then there's Bulldozer, El Toro Loco, Dragonoid, and then there's Zombie. The other trucks, Grave Digger, there's Son of a Digger, another El Toro Loco, Soldier of Fortune, Batman, and Max D. I was picking out from for Monster Mutt. Here is the number 202, so it should be Monster Mutt according to the video that I saw from Monster Jam OCD. So I'm gonna open this up. And yes, it is Monster Mutt. Very cool to add to my collection for the minis. Like the tongue, the nose, they did a very good job with the eyebrows and everything. Onto the other side, yeah, very nice for a detailed little Monster Mutt. Very nice. On the back there, that black tail has the dog tag on it. There's nothing printed on the dog tag. See the collar. So there we go, Monster Mutt. So let's go ahead and see the 5-pack from Kohl's. Spin Master Monster Jam Mini 5-pack featuring Max D, Son of a Digger, Bakugan Dragonoid, and Earth Shaker, plus one mystery mini. On the back of the card, we get a nice shot of Max D, Bakugan Dragonoid, Son of a Digger, and Earth Shaker. And here's the minis also they feature, and then one mystery truck. So let's go ahead and unbox. First off, let's start off with Max D. As it comes into focus, there we go. I like the printing on the BKT tires, although this one over here, they kind of messed it up. The printing didn't fully come out, as you can tell. But here is Max D. It has kind of a 3D feel to it, with the spikes and then the character on the side of the truck. Here is the front. Little less detail on the front for Max D. And then there's the other side and the back. And then up top. There we go, that's pretty good for a little truck up top. Let's go ahead now, moving on to Son of a Digger coming in. There we go with Son of a Digger. The detailing on the side of the truck, I would say, is pretty good. Very nice. And look at that, they put some of the lights in a little blue going around the edge of the lights. And the grill also it has detail on it, so that's very nicely done. Turn it around to the other side and then the opposite side. So very cool with Son of a Digger. Moving on to Bakugan Dragonoid. Keep on messing that name up, but here it is. They did a very good job there. His horn in the front though is a little bit, it's kind of not as sticking out as much. Maybe just because, you know, for kids and stuff, so that they don't get injured or hurt by it. Although these wings are very nicely done and detailed. So I don't know, if you step on that, that's going to be more painful than if they had that horn sticking up in the front. Nice detailing on the side of the truck for a Dragonoid, and even up top. There we go. Now moving on to Earthshaker. This is very cool that they have the dirt inside. Detail is very well done, I think, for a little truck like this. And turn it around to the other side. So there's 4 trucks. And then let's go ahead with the mystery truck. And this package, this white package. Let's see what we get. Oh, check this out with Megalodon with those blue tires, blue wheels. And it's kind of like see-through for the chassis and roll bar, roll cage also. You can see underneath. Megalodon, let me bring it up closer. Very nicely done for little Megalodon. And I got these at a store called Aldi's. So thank you for tuning in.